It's a nice unit. 3rd floor. DTLA. All right, let's get to it.
No, 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 no.
Pro Flow faucets. Look nice. I screwed this up a little bit, but it's okay. It's like the commercial sinks where they, commercial wall hung sinks where the traps are visible, where they put them back and so you don't kick the trap. The reason I had to do this is I cut the tailpiece too short. And also, I refuse to go to the supply house when I know I can just make it work. So this will be fine. I could have put it back a little bit further, but they'll have more space right here than having the dang trap shoot straight down. I had to use a coupling because I only had 2 street 90s. And then I just cut that down and yeah. It's all good.